VEI helps you to understand what the key elements are to successfully running a business. I'm a United States Marine Corps veteran. I was an avionics technician enlisted from 1997 to 2002. And my job in the military was to fix the electrical systems, communications, navigation systems, electronic countermeasure systems on the helicopters that fly the President of the United States. Working on the helicopter that flies the President of the United States, and also dignitaries and prime ministers and presidents from other countries with zero mishaps. It would have been devastating for there to be a mishap, and it's because there wasn't proper maintenance done on the aircraft. So just knowing, you get up every day, you put 100% in to the attention to detail and the quality of maintaining and repairing these important aircraft. It was very, very rewarding. The skills that I developed in the military that enabled me to become a better entrepreneur are leadership skills, just working with diverse people, also the work ethic, working on aircraft. There's really no margin for error. You have to check, double check, triple check everything you do, work with others to make sure everything is done right. And there's just so much more. But so many things from the military apply to running a business every day. Fermitron is a solutions provider. We simplify the acquisition process for buyers at companies such as Lockheed Martin or Boeing or NASA and other companies that support those companies as well. We design electronic circuit boards, and we also manufacture those circuit boards. So we started off with just engineering services at Fermitron at the inception. But over time, the VEI has helped us to identify that there are other verticals in our industry, and we're only servicing one pain point that our type of clients, need to have solved. So after working with VEI, we actually started offering other services such as embedded firmware development and also printed circuit board manufacturing. I did meet people in the community and eventually met members of the team at VEI that helped to broaden my horizon and really start thinking about truly scaling the business. Ricardo Garcia had mastered the art of the business model canvas, and it really makes you think through multi-dimensionally of what your business is, who does it serve, what is your target market. It explores all aspects of the business that are required pieces to make the whole thing work, to make it successful. One of the things I like about VEI is there's not a set of boxes that you have to check to communicate with them. So we were in a position where we needed to relocate our business. I was able to just pick up the phone and call Raphael and ask him, does he know of any light industrial / flex spaces that are available? And he said, give me a few minutes and I'll get back to you. So within the hour, he had emailed me 3 contacts that were looking to either sublease or lease property that was a fit for our specific needs. VEI helped us to identify some of the gaps that we had in our focus on developing and growing our business. So it was really refreshing for somebody from the outside of our organization looking in. It became more palatable to actually scale the business, and that's part of what VEI is all about. Entrepreneurship is not for the faint of heart, but if you have a passion and a determination to see your vision come to reality and live that reality, it's definitely worth fighting for. But organizations like VEI make it such that you're not in the fight alone. They bring a lot of industry experience and entrepreneurship experience to the table to help veterans to be more successful with their endeavors.